The merger of HDFC Ltd is expected to add approximately 6 lakh crore rupees to HDFC Bank and create a balance sheet of about 18 lakh crore rupees. This will make HDFC Bank almost double the size of the ICICI Bank. In terms of market capitalization, the merger of HDFC Ltd and HDFC Bank will create India's third largest entity after Reliance Industries and Tata Consultancy Services. Post the merger, shareholders of HDFC Ltd will get 42 HDFC Bank shares for every 25 HDFC Ltd shares. Currently, HDFC Bank has 6,300 branches across 3,000 cities and towns in the country. On the other hand, India's largest mortgage lender, HDFC Ltd, has 455 offices. The merger will bring significant cross-selling opportunities for its banking products. According to HDFC Chairman Deepak Parekh, HDFC Ltd offices will initially focus on the mortgage portfolio, but these centers will eventually offer other banking services too. The merger will also help the HDFC Group to build a competitive housing loan portfolio under the HDFC Bank. Currently, HDFC Bank has been receiving a fee for selling home loan products of HDFC Ltd. Following the merger, HDFC Bank will aim to strengthen its home loan portfolio by leveraging its customer base of 6.8 crore.
If you see, I think, if I'm not mistaken, about there is some percentage, if not one-third, probably one-third of the balance sheet unsecured loan in HDFC Bank schemes. Now, with this, the entire home loan portfolio of HDFC being merged with HDFC Bank, so its secured loan portfolio will go up. So that's any day you ask any banker, that's good for the balance sheet. And another very, very critical aspect is this. The average maturity of home loan is far higher than any other retail sector. So even though it's typically a home loan is 20-year loan, but average maturity is, you can say, about 6 years. So this will also lengthen the average maturity of the HDFC Bank's existing loan portfolio. So that's a big positive.
But the merger of the two entities will not come without challenges.
Are there challenges? Of course, there will be challenges before the merger. Before the merged entity, I would not like to believe that it will be value accretive from day one, because still there's a cost of SLR and CRR, and there's enough liquidity that both the banks and HDFC have garnered over the last few months. I think they will use that liquidity. And as far as private sector lending is concerned, all of us know that RBI has given the dispensation. It can be done over a period of next 3 years. So the cost of merger for the merged entity is not as much as we had thought earlier, but still they would need certain requirement of liquidity to meet the SLR and CRR, and of course 1/3 of private sector lending. So the money which otherwise could have been used for growing the assets would need to be used for the regulatory purposes. So these are the challenges. They are not unsurmountable, and the merged entity is well equipped to meet these challenges.
Prashant K. Bhosle of Kuhu believes, as a systemically important bank, the merger will have a ripple effect in the entire banking sector.
It will impact positively other banks getting excited. Consumer will benefit, because if the cost comes down and the expansion happens much larger, because the number of branches and distribution that it will now have access to, I think it will increase competition and good healthy competition in the market, and which will benefit customers and banks. And other banks will have to start now thinking hard of innovating and how to provide better customers, better product and better process and all of those things.
According to experts, the merger is likely to benefit both the merging entities, shareholders and especially customers, as there will be increased competition in the housing loan portfolio. For the banking sector too, the merger will be an impetus as it can increase the competition. However, with HDFC Bank and SBI taking up almost 50% of the deposits and mortgages, other banks may experience a squeeze in deposits in the medium term.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views, and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and LinkedIn.
He's about to land his dream job. Business Standard.